Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you how to find your Upwork profile link. This is important because sometimes when I work with mentees, I ask them to send me their Upwork profile link and they don't know where to find it. When I log into Upwork, this is what I see. To get your profile link, you're going to find your picture on the right-hand side of your screen and just go ahead and click on your name. Now you've got your Upwork profile. To find your link, you're just going to click on the little thing that looks like a sideways paperclip. It says copy link to keyboard. That's all you need to do. If somebody's asking for your profile link, they're asking for this link right here. All right, I hope this video helps. Thanks so much and have a great day.